never saw it coming. I couldn't read the signs. I don't know why I let you in this time. I must be blind. I guess I couldn't trust you, 'cause all you did was lie. Oh no, I have to keep you off my mind. 'Cause of you, I'm wired up. I don't want you, it's time for you to go. Oh, you, I had enough. I don't want you, it's time for you to go.
What is up, ho sa inyong lahat? Hello beautiful Vlogs TV subscribers and supporters all over the world. Mega shout out to our super YouTube watchers today. How are you all doing today? For those who are new to my channel, my name is Jason. I am the creator of Vlogs TV YouTube channel. I am a humble teacher here in the Philippines, a YouTuber, and a road safety advocate as well. I want to share my vlogs to everyone who might find my content useful. I talk about educational topics like educational vlogs, health vlogs, moto vlogs, and paranormal vlogs. Are you looking for vlogs about genital warts? If that is so, this vlog is what you've been looking for. Content. Warts are caused by a virus. Warts on the genitals are softer than warts on other parts of the body, and there are usually more of them. It is possible to have warts inside the vagina or inside the tip of the penis and not know it. While warts may eventually go away, usually they continue to get worse and should be treated. Because genital warts can look like an early sign of syphilis, test for syphilis before treating for warts, and if it is syphilis, treat it right away. Warts grow faster during pregnancy and might bleed during childbirth, which could infect the baby. A pregnant woman with warts should consult a health worker to see if she should give birth in a hospital by cesarean surgery, C-section. Signs. Small, firm, whitish or brownish skin growths that have a rough surface. For the views. In women they grow on the lips of the vagina, inside the vagina, or around the anus. In men they usually grow on the penis but also may grow on the scrotum or anus. Sometimes the warts itch. Treatment. Several treatments given once a week are usually necessary. The health worker usually applies the first treatment and may show you how to treat at home or have you return for treatments. Medicines include trichloroacetic acid, TCA, bichloroacetic acid, BCA, or podophylox. Prevention. Wear a condom during sex if you or your partner has genital warts, or avoid sex until they are gone. The vaccine that prevents human papillomavirus, HPV, helps prevent genital warts. Outro. If you like my content today, please do click on that red subscribe radio button on your screen and kindly click on the notification bell as well to get updated on my latest uploads. You can find more of my contents on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram as well. You might want to check my voice and non-voice live stream. I got some great news right there for you. I also share some general information snippets that you might want to read. Kindly share my content to your community. Please share your thoughts about my topic today in the comments section, and I'm gonna do my best to read them and make an immediate reply to each of you. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Cheers to the growing number of YouTube subscribers who continuously inspire me to continue with what I do. Thank you very much for all of your relentless support.